Good morning, one and all. I welcome you all on behalf of Principal and staff of KVBM by Bhilai for the process of online lottery for admission to Class 1, Session 2021-22. Appearing on your screen is the Ola dashboard for KVBM by Bhilai. As you can see, the total registered candidates are 590. For the seats, total seats available in our Vidyalaya 80. On the left menu, you can see the lottery menu. We have Shri Humendra Sen, PGT Computer Science of our Vidyalaya, helping us in conducting the online lottery. So let's click on the button lottery. As we click on the button lottery, we get the sequence of lotteries to be conducted for our Vidyalaya. It is pre-decided. So the first lottery to be conducted is RT lottery. Once we click the button of RT lottery, lottery click करिए, RT lottery click करिए. A message shall appear.
Capital B, small b, 5M.
Click on the lottery button, RT lottery. Now on your screen is available pre-lottery sequence, as you can see, and the application submission code. The pre-lottery sequence on the left side, appearing as serial number, has nothing to do with the post-lottery sequence. On the right side top, there is a button conduct RT lottery, as you can see, marked with red. So once we click the button, it will disappear. That means the lottery can be conducted only once. So let's click on the button, sir, conduct RT lottery. A message appears that we are showing the lottery to the lottery committee and the parents also through live Facebook Live. So we'll click OK for that. So please click OK.
Screen please too much contrast.
So it is from Cambridge. This portal has been used as
Madam, download कर दो.
So sir, yes. Have you clicked the red button, sir?
हाँ.
So download RT lottery results, sir. On the left side, you can see the post lottery sequence. 47 number is appearing as the first candidate selected for RT category. So please scroll down the list. Because for our school, it is 25% reservation against 80 seats. So 20 seats are allotted for RT. So the waiting list appears from 21. The first 20 have to complete the documentary evidences. Then only the admissions will be completed. So please download and save the RT lottery list. So RT की lottery होगी. ये 20 seats की lottery होगा. We have a folder where we are going to save this. So here appears the list of candidates selected for RT admissions. Waiting list starts from 21st candidate. Kanishka, you can see the list. Ramanna topper hai. So this will be displayed on the website also and on the school notice board as well. Save kar. Let us go for the next lottery as per the sequencer.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for differently abled category, we don't have any registration. So but sir, please click the differently abled SC lottery button.
SC lottery. This one, na?
This one.
सेम तो नहीं है।
Any problem? इसको सेव नहीं हो पा रहा है
लास्ट में
यहाँ सेव एस होगा ना सर, सेव एस है. We are saving the RT lottery result first. Desktop
की
desktop
मार
पे.
तो बाद में ले जाएंगे।
Okay.
हाँ
Now we are clicking on the differently abled SC lottery. For every time we have to provide the credentials of the Ola dashboard because it
कैपिटल
gets signed out. So let's click the button lottery. Now we'll go for the differently abled SC lottery. As you can see on your screen, there is no applicant. So no lottery for this particular category. हाँ.
one seat is there.
Applicant नहीं है sir.
हाँ
You
नहीं
can take a video of that, Kartika. No applicant in this category. On the left side, you can see. Again, we are going to. Sir, shall we go for the next one? Okay. So next we'll go for the differently abled ST lottery. Please click on the button. हाँ वो it will go off. इस बार ऐसा हो रहा है बता रहे. Time and again we have to put the credentials for the Ola board. Okay.
एसटी ना मैडम
Differently abled ST sir. Differently abled ST. Please click on the button. As you can see, again there is no applicant in this category, so there won't be any lottery for this particular menu on the dashboard. Let's click on the differently abled OBC. MCL means OBC non-creamy layer. Yes. So we don't have any applicant in this category as well. So now let's go for the next sequence on the left menu, that is service category 1 lottery. हाँ जनरल, yes. OBC creamy layer वो भी click करें sir. Let's show there is no candidate there also.
कर
Click
दिया
कर दे sir. कर दिया सर.
कर दिया,
आपने?
कर दिया।
Sir, कर दिया.
आ रहा है ना
It
मैडम
doesn't
देखिए
click,
ना
sir.
जनरल
General
ओबीसी
OBC है. आपको जो आते हैं जब देख रहा है नहीं है. Yes.
नाउ सर्विस कैटेगरी 1
Shall we go for that sir? So let's go for the lottery of service category 1. Sir, click on the button please.
दिस वन
Now on the right side of the dashboard you can see conduct lottery button is there. Once you click that button, the lottery will be conducted and the button will disappear. So let's click on the button sir.
चले
Shall we sir? Sir, yes. Serial number means pre-lottery sequence. Once the lottery is conducted, this is going to change sir. Pre-lottery sequence will change. Now that will be called as the post-lottery sequence. Total number. Yes sir.
चल है
Now we'll click the button OK. So now we have the result. Now you can see the serial number now. It is reshuffled. It is reshuffled. Now the 2 is appearing on the. Yes. Yes.
ठीक है
Shall we download sir?
डाउनलोड
Please
करें
download. Yes sir. Please download. Scroll. बाद में कर सकते हैं. Scroll down. स्क्रॉल करो. वेटिंग कहाँ से आ रहा है देखिए जरा. वेटिंग अपीयर 50 के बाद 51 से आना चाहिए. और ऊपर से हाँ वेटिंग अपीयर एट 51 because 50 seats are for category 1 and 20 seats gone for RT sir and 10 will go for sponsoring society that railways are going to provide us. So 50 seats decided, rest are waiting list. The admissions will be conducted once the parent submits the documentary evidences. Save कर ले sir. 27%.
Differently able to
Differently abled horizontal reservation है वो. 1 और 2 seats.
total 86 है ना तो ये 50, 20, 70 हुआ 10 से
Then आप कंप्लीट होता है सर, आपने क्या करा था इसी में से आता है, इसी में जो रजिस्टर्ड कैंडिडेट का इसी से we provide a list. Those who are not selected from that we get the final list from railway.
Next, madam.
Yes, let's go for the service category 2 lottery. Category 2 means employees of undertaking of central government employees. Ward of
Shall I? एक बार स्क्रॉल कर दो सर.
हाँ सर, कैंडिडेट दिखा दीजिए. Show the free lottery sequence as well sir.
34.
34 entries are there.
Shall I conduct?
Free lottery sequence 1, 2, 3. Yes sir. Now once we conduct the lottery, that will be reshuffled. Sir, please click the button conduct lottery. Click OK. Now you can
हाँ. This one, madam.
yes. And moreover, the serial number 1 is appearing on top as well because 4 transfers. So they also consider transfers while reshuffling the list.
Download.
Please. Post lottery sequence में third वाला second है इसमें, as you can see. So it has been reshuffled.
Okay, madam. Next.
Next is our SC lottery.
Yes, see.
Yes.
This is the
Again,
Pre.
this is the pre-lottery sequence. Total candidates registered. देखिए सर, scroll करें.
79.
79. Yes.
Shall I, madam?
Yes sir, please.
Can I conduct lottery?
We are about to see the SC category lottery result. The page will also allow the person's application. If you wish to simply view, नहीं हम click करेंगे सर. Let's go for OK.
This is the lottery.
As you can see, after reshuffling the post lottery sequence, 1 is appearing at the top, 14 is the second one, and so on. It has been totally reshuffled.
Download.
Yes, sir.
all are waiting.
They are waiting, sir, because first we have to admit category 1 and RT candidates. From there,
हाँ मैंने ये जो सर्विस कैटेगरी पे SC ST नहीं है उनका
नहीं सबका है.
हाँ वहाँ SC को
Madam, next.
Let's go
Madam.
for the ST.
Next.
Next ST होगा.
हाँ
Now
मैंने
will be
जो थे जो इसमें
देखिए बोलना है ST को.
ये वाला जो सही है जितना सीट के हिसाब से उतना ऊपर हो गया
Sir, SC का reservation total 15%.
हाँ 15%
We have सर 12 seats. सर चलिए ST लॉटरी कनेक्ट करते हैं.
कर दूं?
हाँ, अगर वो कैटेगरी 1 और RT से फुलफिल हो जाएगा तो सबका हमें इससे लेना नहीं पड़ेगा. That is why we are conducting the waiting. Yes, ST के 11 है 20.
20.
Yes, 20. 11 हम कैटेगरी 1 है.
कंडक्ट करो सर.
Yes, sir.
ये आ गया.
All are in waiting list.
Yes.
Physical
Select.
save कर ले. हाँ,
Download.
हाँ sir, please. We almost completed the major category now.
Madam, next, madam.
Now we see NCL.
NCL, na?
Non-creamy layer lottery. They also have 27% reservation.
Number of candidates, can I show?
Number of candidates top पे कितना आता है सर देखिए.
230.
213.
Shall I?
Sir, please.
Continue.
Again, yes. So again they appear as post lottery sequence is appearing as waiting list only. Sir, इनको save कर लीजिए.
डाउनलोड करूँ?
Yes, sir. So as per the sequence, we have reached up to OBC non-creamy layer lottery. Now we will proceed for category 3 lottery now. After saving the
सर्विस कैटेगरी
yes,
3 मैडम.
service category
Three,
third sir.
हाँ.
Service category third. 1 or 2 we have already done.
ठीक है.
So these are state government employees. Let's conduct the lottery sir.
144 candidates.
Okay.
Shall I conduct lottery?
Yes sir.
Continue. We are in waiting list. Shall I download?
Please download the lottery results for saving.
Okay. What is category
Next
4?
category 4 of course.
Total number of candidates 35. Here also it is shown
No.
35. Conduct lottery.
Yes sir.
Sir. Continue, sir. Yeah. Download.
Yes. And see.
Next, madam.
Next category 5 sir. Number of registered candidates 228 I think.
Category 5.
228.
228. Here also it is
We'll
given.
conduct the lottery. Category 5.
Conduct lottery. Sir. ये हो गया.
Let's save it sir.
Shall I download?
Yes. Yes sir. Category 5. A single culture only left for to be conducted. Single girl child. Yes, this is the last one.
Number of candidates are 100.
जी
Shall I conduct lottery, madam?
Yes. Let's click the button on it and save the lottery. This is also done category wise only. Reshuffling is done category wise.
So
So
down.
category 1 candidates are appearing on top. और 4 के बाद वेटिंग लिस्ट होगी ना सर देखो.
yeah.
वेटिंग लिस्ट appears on 5th candidate. Kiswara Vidyalaya we have only 4 admissions against single girl child category. Let's save it sir.
एक सिस्टम में 2 सिस्टम.
Yes.
Over, madam.
Over. So we take out the print out. इसको प्रिंट आउट निकालते हैं. यहाँ का कार्टेज वर्क नहीं करना एग्जामिनेशन. अब इसको पहले डेस्कटॉप पे अरेंज कर लो.
Desktop minimize करो. सब desktop करो. Facebook live को post कर देके चालू कर. नहीं बंद कर दो. Facebook live बंद कर दो. सर Facebook live बंद कर दो. हाँ खत्म हो गया. बंद कर.
Yes. Yes. वो हमने कर दिया था. So the lottery process for KVB by Bhilai for admission to class 1 2021-22 is complete.
Right on.